After we get this order out, I'm gonna bring down, we have 3 bookshelves in the garage, and 2 of them are gonna go in storage, and 1 of them is gonna go right there. There's actually the possibility that I could get all 3 of them down here, and then you would see all of my yarn. And like the other stuff would be what's in storage. But then we would have the same problem where we don't have storage, but then I'd have an entire wall of yarn. To clear out my yarn for Mornar. No, not necessarily. Like, if I don't give that one skein away, I'll be buying more. So I'll definitely be purchasing yarn for it. I think anyway. You should. I would love to see your craft office room. I honestly need to like purge a lot of stuff. Not to make room for more stuff, just to make room for me. I also live down here. It's just junk room. Lived in the craft dungeon. Basically, I was down here yesterday, so I cleaned a little bit in the morning, and then I started cleaning the bunny cage, but I didn't realize how out of litter we were, so I had to run and get that. And then when I got back, Kayla was home, and she came down and sewed for a little bit, for quite a while actually. And then I finished cleaning and then started sewing. And then I sewed from probably 2 to 2. Like, I was down here till 2 a.m. Well, no, but I stopped to cook dinner.
And make strawberries.
Huh?
And make strawberries.
And make strawberries. Well, to fancify strawberries. I made cheesecake stuffed strawberries and chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered Ritz crackers. I ended up with more chocolate and not enough strawberries to put in the chocolate, so I just was grabbing things in the kitchen to dip in it because I didn't want to waste it. And the Ritz crackers came out really good. They're even better cold. So if you haven't had one of those cold, they're wrapped up in the paper on the top shelf. But Kayla got like 100 masks yesterday, ready for me to pleat, so I made sure that we finished 100 masks. I was telling Crystal, I was like, I was hoping I would hit 100 by 2 a.m. and I did not, but I kept going until I did. And then Mabel spit a needle in my face at 98, and I was like, we're not doing this. Oh yeah, Spike and Frog, go say hi. Add some mint to the Ritz crackers and put them in the fridge. Ooh. I've seen them with like caramel drizzle and sea salt and stuff, which we didn't have. I was just like, shit, I gotta dip something in this chocolate. It was like a lot. I should have just poured it out on the parchment paper and then broke it up and ate it, but you know.
Put a Frito in there.
She did put a Frito in there. How did that end up tasting?
Delicious.
Was it? Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The chocolate dipped ones. Oh, sell them. Yeah.
God damn it, I'm finishing this bowl. I'm doing this once.
I thought about just getting, like, when we get the bolts, like, rolling them on that roll and just mounting, like, I don't know, something to the wall so we could just pull it out and just. You're gonna put a bed in it. We're gonna have to settle for a pull-out couch the way it's going. Oh wait. Oh, the craft room.
Just don't get pregnant on it. That'd be ironic.
Oh, I was like, what?
Don't get pregnant on a pull-out couch if they're running.
Wouldn't that make it funnier?
I don't think I'm gonna do this. But I'm gonna try.
Oh, so we got new blades. I almost posted an affiliate link for Amazon and Discord. I highly recommend. Do you have there? The Ultima on Amazon. So Amazon's been out of stock of a lot of sewing supplies, and I went to order blades because our stores are all out of the 45mm, and I was like, well, I'll just have to order them online. And Amazon was hella stocked with stuff now. So I got these because they were very inexpensive, and I figured it's a blade. I mean, holy shit, they're way better than anything we've used before. Like, it's insane. Like, see how there's markings around the edges? They're numbers. They're centimeter lines. I don't know how that will be helpful. Like, are you looking at the blade I already cut? I don't know, but they're there.
They sure are.
You're going to visit if we get a cotton candy machine.
Is this one?
The cases. It's not these needles, these cases, but like these things. It's not. These aren't my favorite. Like this whole situation is not my favorite. I do like that these bend back. Did she do something at least